Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Telegram channel and earn money from it. To start, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner and select New Channel. Enter a name for your channel, for example, Tutorial, and write a brief description like YouTube Tips. Tap the checkmark in the top right corner to proceed. Next, choose the privacy setting for your channel. Select Private Channel to keep it exclusive. Tap the checkmark again and your channel will be created. Now, go back to the main screen and tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Search for Invite Member and select it from the search results. Tap Start to begin setting up. If you already have a project, select it. Otherwise, tap on Add Project to create a new one. Choose Pay Telegram Channel and tap on Done. You will be prompted to add the Invite Member bot as an administrator to your channel. Go back to your channel, tap on the channel name at the top and select Administrators. Tap Add Admin, search for Invite Member and select it. Uncheck all permissions except for Invite users via link and confirm by tapping the checkmark. Return to the Invite Member bot and click Done. You will now need to forward a message from your channel to the Invite Member bot. Go to your channel, find the message you want to forward and tap the Forward button. Choose Invite Member and send the message. Next, the bot will ask you to select a currency for charging your subscribers. You can choose from USD, Euro, Bitcoin and more. Select your preferred currency and decide how often you want to charge your subscribers, like monthly or yearly. Enter the amount you want to charge, for example, $20. The bot will now ask you to set up a new bot using BotFather. Open a chat with BotFather, type /newbot and send the message. Follow the instructions to name your bot and choose a username ending in bot. Once created, copy the access token provided by BotFather. Return to the Invite Member bot and paste the access token into the text box. Send it to complete the setup. The bot will generate payment links for your subscribers. Click OK to finalize the setup. Finally, add a payment option to your bot to test it. Enter your payment information to ensure everything works correctly. Once tested, your paid Telegram channel is ready to start accepting subscribers. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a Telegram channel and earning money from it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.